This new build Calgary home is only $830,000. Let's go in and check it out.
All right, I am inside this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom in Sage Hill. This is such a cute house.
From the moment you arrive, the curb appeal and the oversized lot immediately stands out. And once inside, this home truly delivers on space, style, and functionality. The kitchen is a true showstopper, featuring a large central island, quartz countertop, 2-stone cabinetry with gold hardware, and a designer backsplash. As we go into the pantry, you're going to see this beautiful tile work. It's a walk-through pantry, connects directly to the mudroom and the garage, making daily routines effortless and organized. The main floor seamlessly flows into the living and dining room areas, filled with natural light from large windows throughout. Stainless steel appliances. The dining area opens directly onto a huge deck which overlooks the expansive backyard, as you can see here, making it a perfect deck for summer barbecues, outdoor dining, and family time. With this beautiful kitchen, you could have many family dinners and occasions with your kids running around. There's lots of ample space. It's a little over 2,100 square feet above grade. Off the front entrance, we do have a powder room. So in the foyer area with some large windows, and we're gonna head upstairs here. We've got 3 bedrooms in total, and we have a large bonus room here. And we're gonna head into the primary suite, which is a retreat on its own. We have a double soaker tub, 5-piece ensuite featuring dual sinks, glass enclosed shower, walk-through closet, and your own private bathroom there. Now we're in the 2 additional generously sized bedrooms. They share a beautifully finished 4-piece bathroom with dual vanity. You'll also find a convenient upper level laundry room and a flex space that works perfectly as a home office or study nook. These rooms both have large windows, large closets, beautiful carpet throughout the upstairs. Laundry room is off to the right, and the bonus room off to the left here. Got beautiful lighting throughout the house as well. This house does have an unfinished basement, which offers incredible future potential with a separate side entrance and rough-ins for a future suite.